Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be talking about all the shopping which I did for the skin and hair care. So guys, before moving towards the video, I just want to request you all that please subscribe to our channel if you are new, and do like and share our videos with your family, friends. Thank you. So first product which I'm currently showing you is Estee Lauder. This is the Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Serum. As you all know that it is the #1 serum to powerfully fight multiple signs of aging. So currently I thought that it is the right time to use this particular serum. So as the product state, it is the most comprehensive advanced night serum ever. It also reduces the lot of multiple signs of aging which can be caused by different environmental assaults of modern life. Since when you will use this particular product, it is mentioning that the skin looks smoother and less lined, younger, more radiant, and even toned. And also it is giving 74 hour of hydration, and the texture of the serum is oil free, which is superb. This product can also be can be used night and day, which helps to it helps the skin to maximize its overall natural rhythm of repair and production. You guys can see that I just bought it a small bottle, that is 20 ml. Once I will feel that this is actually working on my skin, then I will buy a bigger one, the bigger bottle. This particular serum can also be used under the foundation. Before you will apply your moisturizer and your sunscreen, you can apply this, and some women also use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones after the makeup. So I think it is a great product to use it. So guys, the next product is Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 Day Cream Normal SPF 15 20 gram. As I told you that I first wanted to check whether the product is actually working on my skin or not, so that's why I bought a small bottle which is of 20 gram. Since the overall rating is very good on its official website, also on Nika and also on Watson, on the box of this particular Olay cream, it is mentioning it has 7 benefits in one, which is #1, fine lines and wrinkles. Also it helps in uneven tone. It works for if you have any age spots, also on uneven texture if you have. I just want to check that what is the texture of it. The fragrance is so good, and of course when I'm using it, I have rubbed on my palm, as you can see. Then I feel that the texture is so amazing. It's very lightweighted, and also it absorbs on my skin very nicely. Actually product works on that. It helps in for nourishing the skin, which is if someone having a dryness problem, so they can use this particular products. Also if you feel that your skin is little dull, so you can use this particular product, which gives your skin a healthy radiance. Also it minimizes the appearance of the pores. So as it mentioned, I feel that for the day cream, I think that this product is apt for that. The next product is Bio Oil Skincare Oil. I bought it in 60 ml for first sake. So basically it is specialist for any scar and the stretch marks if you have. When I'm unboxing this particular thing, it is showing me the bottle, the bio oil bottle. Also this particular oil has persilin oil, which actually reduces the thickness of the formulation and make it easily absorbed on your skin. This particular product actually works for any scar which you have, that it will improve the appearance of both new and the old scars. And also it helps in reducing the possibility of stretch marks forming during pregnancy, teenage growth spurts, and periods of rapid weight gain, and helps also in improving the appearance of existing stretch marks if you have any. Also it will work, or you can say it will improve the appearance of uneven skin tone in both light and dark skin types. Also it will help in smoothing and toning aging and wrinkled skin on both the face and body, and also helps in retaining moisture. I have checked with a little drop of it, and I think its texture is also good, very smooth, and it is very, easily, or you can say it absorbed and on your skin very easily. This particular product, you can apply uh, daily, like once or twice in a day. But you have to use this particular for 3 months, as it mentioned on your, on the box of the bio oil. And also, maximum girls or women use this particular product during pregnancy, which is apt. So the very next product is Innisfree Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Since it is the most famous K beauty clay mask on the market, so I wanted to give a try for it. As I can see in the box, or in the, bottle, sorry, the mask itself has a very smooth and easy to spread texture, which I can, from the first look I can feel that way. And also the clay will dry after around 15 minutes, but it won't turn very hard like certain clay masks does, and it certainly won't make your face feel stiff and dry. Whiteheads as well. So if you have any kind of, whiteheads and the blackheads, and also your skin needs, radiance, or you wanted your skin to be, feel more brightened, so I think this clay mask will do the work. I use this particular brush for the application because I don't want to use the clay mask with my, I don't want to apply the clay mask with my fingers, so I use this particular brush for using it. So guys, the next product I'm very excited about, which is the Herbal Essence by Renew Repair Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo and the conditioner. I bought a large bottle, 400 ml both, shampoo and the conditioner. At the first look, I can say the bottle looks very gorgeous, and its design is classic, but it is modernized as well, with beautiful and vivid colors in the graphics. This product is crafted with the signature blend of real botanicals, argan oil shampoo, which cleanses and help in repairing the hair, the beautiful hair, and it also gives you the smooth texture. Since over the, its official website, it is mentioned that this particular product is color safe, paraben free shampoo, which is, pH balanced, and also it gently cleanses your hair. The fragrance, it infuses with strengths with the notes of fizzy citrus, exotic spices, and creamy vanilla into your hair, leaving it soft and smooth after the use. Guys, I wanted to buy something which is, natural, which is paraben free, of course, and over the internet it is mentioned that it is 90% natural product, which is, color free and also the paraben free, which I mentioned earlier as well. So the next product is the Flawless Pros Eyebrow Hair Remover, and I'm really excited about this particular product before buying also and after using also. It is so smooth, I can't tell you. So yeah, let's get started. You guys know that during the pandemic it is very difficult to go to the salon, or to visit any beauty parlor. So what I did is that I purchased this product for my upper lips and for the eyebrow. Though I was very scared before, using it, this particular, because I was not sure that this will do the work or not. But to be honest, guys, मुझे लगता है कि मेरी ब्रोज बहुत ही आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो गई थी, एंड ऑफ कोर्स माय अपर लिप्स एज वेल. सो आई वांटेड द प्रोडक्ट, and I found one of the best product if you're not able to go out. So I think it seemed to be like the solution at the time. And yeah, it is a little pen that promised to gently remove stray hairs while shaping my brows. Yes, this will actually make me look like a normal person now. Since the installation of this particular pen is, I mean, the hair remover is very easy. You have to remove the cap, hold top and bottom of the unit and pull apart to reveal the battery compartment. Also, you have to place a AAA battery within this. So guys, in the end, I would just like to say you goodbye. But before ending this video, I would like you to, share this video with your friends, and also I will request you that please हमें support करें, हमारा channel को subscribe करें. Do subscribe our channel before leaving and also like this video. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Namaskar.